And welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, man, I'm excited to do this video, man. What a cool car. This is a one-owner 1960 Pontiac Bonneville convertible. How many of those you think are left out there? One owner. Pretty much, it's mostly original car, ton of paperwork with the car, and guys, just a great car, man. This thing runs and drives so sweet. You know, this car wasn't owned, it was loved. Most of the original paint, he did say that there were some spots on that they had painted on over the years, but factory color, which I think is Shoreline gold, and then it's got the factory Pontiac tri-tone interior. Now, they did put new seat covers on it. SMS made them new seat covers, so they did put that on there. But it's got the big wide whites with the factory hubcaps, original 3D9 automatic car, and man, turn the key, point the direction, car runs and drives great. Love this car. And again, how many one-owner 60 Pontiacs you think are out there? Convertible. Look how nice this car is. Original bumpers. You know, you can pick. You know, there's marks in the paint. You can pick it a little bit, but man, is it a great car. And I wouldn't do anything to it. Leave it alone, turn the key, and cruise it. My dad loved these cars, so of course I love these things, man. These big old boats, Cadillacs, you know, Pontiacs, Oldsmobiles, I love them. It's the original front windshield. And I'll tell you what, it seems like everything on this car works. Original, what is it, Super Deluxe radio. Again, they replaced the seat covers. Those are new. Convertible top's in great shape. It works great. I've got photos with the top up. Again, you can pick some little things in the paint. Just a great car. We put blue dots in the taillights. Love the fins. How cool is that? Those are radial wide whites too. They're not bias ply, so the car really drives great. I know people like the looks of the bias plies, but they just don't drive good. Look at that car, man. Gorgeous. These cars are works of art. And you want to talk about conversation pieces, because you don't see them. When people see them, they go crazy. Look at that car, man. That thing's beautiful. What a car. Original 3D9, 4-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds. Power steering, power brakes. They said they have converted it to run on pump gas, so it does have the hardened valve seats. Great car. Great car. Automatic trans, got the original automatic 2-speed automatic transmission with a reverse at the bottom. Original side mirror there. Little Pontiac mirror there on your sun visor. Original trim tag. This great car. Great car. All this stuff's original. Look how nice this stuff is. Look at the doors. I mean, it's just a great car. They put, over the years, they put speakers in the kick panels there. Great car. I've ordered new mats. They should really be here any day. Factory bench seat, stock steering wheel. Look how nice that is. $80,463. Everything in here works too. Original Super Deluxe radio. They've got an cassette there that works as well. Oh, look at these cool things. Look, Pontiac Bonneville pins. Even the keys, original keys. Dual exhaust, factory rear axle. And look at this. Look at all the paperwork that goes with the car. Factory jack with spare is in here. Great car. All the original sales receipts, the brochures, all that stuff goes with it, guys. Great car. Everything opens and closes real nice. Even the cold light on the dash still works. Oh, I'll show you underneath. Original underneath. Somebody's just gonna have a blast with this thing. And again, I would do nothing to this car. I'd keep it just like this and drive the heck out of it. Even this trim, look how nice that stuff is. Great car. I mean, just a little sweetheart right there. Factory Delco generator on it. What a car. I mean, these things are works of art. They're just gorgeous. Look at that thing. All the gauges work. The fuel gauge has got a little bit of a mind of its own, I will tell you that. So it works and then it stops. So we'll check it. It's probably the ground's a little loose or something. Yep, the backup lights do work too. Just a sweetheart. Yep, it works. The cassette works. The blower motor works. It's got the one speaker up there. Wipers are functional. Oh, the little, when you hit the brights in there, little Pontiac head lights up red. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that through our website. You can also do it through our Facebook page, our Instagram page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That is a great way to keep track of this. Love it.